Welcome to the Bike Corner. He's Austin.
And he's Lee.
And today we're doing bike restoration. What we got here is a Wipeout Next that we've already gotten the back tire off and everything. Our camera messed up. We lost all those files. Anyways, there's all of the bike tire. That's the back tire and everything. We've already had to literally break a chain to get the chain off. We could probably fix it with a master link. We are currently right now getting the the front tire off, and we will get you know what, y'all know how this thing works, right? Then we will get the fork off, the front cassette off. Well, really it's just one gear, but anyways, and the kickstand, the seat, everything is going to get it, the pedals, everything's getting off this bike. It will just be the frame itself. And then come summer, what are we going to do, Austin?
Spray paint this. And then sell it.
For a hefty penny. Because we put a lot of effort in this bike. We're going to put a lot of effort in this bike. Don't you agree?
Yeah.
What?
The wrench thing. The one little thing that was up here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I forgot what it's called.
I forgot what it's called, too. Here's the big one. Where do we put this?
Well, I want the little one.
Where do we put the little one?
I don't know. I put it right here.
I didn't touch it. Maybe if...
Well, so it could be. Yeah, I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. I found it.
Alright, Austin. Let's get this tire off. Don't you agree?
Yep. And here we go. I've already got this off because of that thing helping. Alright, might get the other one off now. Don't move that one yet, Lee.
Alright.
I'm trying to get it out.
He just ran into the camera.
Hey.
Then you gotta loosen it and then put it in.
Yeah, I know. I hope that didn't hurt the wrench. Like a wrench.
Here, you want me filming Nitro?
I got it.
Got it? Alright.
It goes like this.
Drink blood much? Red eyes? Are you Mothman son? Wipeout 31. I wonder what that means. Oh my god!
That hurt my finger.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Good god! That thing's rusted out.
Yeah, no, get the chain lube.
Got it.
Get the lube.
Get the lube.
Alright, putting the chain lube on.
Chain lubes. Apparently we tested that thing out and it actually worked, right, Austin?
Yep.
Chain lube apparently is good for getting off rough.
What happened?
Let me the camera real quick.
This burns.
Yeah.
Wait, what? What's on me? What did you do?
I squirted it on you.
Where? I feel wetness. Wipe it off.
I can't. It's already wiped off. It's actually already something on your shirt.
Whatever. We're doing perfect. Lift up a bit.
Come on, Austin. You got this.
Yeah, I want it to be perfect though.
Perfectionism, much.
Yes, watch, I got it. I got this.
Oh, no wonder it wasn't working. I was going the wrong way.
Yeah. Which way did I do this one? Oh, it needs to go. This way, Lee. This way.
This way.
Whatever way the wrench tells you to go, that's the way you go. Hard?
This is when we need WD-40. No, God. We gotta make money and buy some WD-40. Just flat out buy some WD-40.
Yeah,
God, I
already
went
got
so
100
hard that it knocked off the thing. Knocked off the bolt.
Hold on, guys. We're gonna cut back to y'all in like a second.
Yeah, we did this the last time. Remember?
Oh, crap. Oh, I thought it was even paused. Alright, hold on.
It wasn't even...
Is it unpaused?
Go. Yay!
Alright, guys. We managed to get it off. This is the...
With the help of me.
Shut up, Dad! Go back upstairs to your chair.
Alright guys, they managed to get it off after I had to come out here and show them how to do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's the magic man.
And after I actually did it,
Whatever. Yeah, this is gonna be the
they
end
want
of the
credit
video.
for it.
We need views. People make money off this.
Come on, Abby. Come on, baby.
Go. Go.
She's not going to go nowhere. She's going to stay right here with you.
Yay. For once she loves me. For once she...
Alright guys, we got it off. We got to take it apart. We could have done it. But Magic Man helped. But now it's all good.
Magic Man.
Get out of here.
Alright, guys. He's up. Really quiet, okay?
Okay, guys.
Gotta
So,
be real.
we managed to get the timer off.
With the help of the Magic Man.
Yeah.
AKA my dad.
And he kicked us out of the garage, but we're still in here.
Agreed. You know how to take a fork off? Because I had no good idea how.
You don't have to take the fork off of it. It's spray paint the fork.
True, but then we gotta take off all the gears, the pedals, and all that crap.
Yeah, no. It's easier just to keep this on the top and paint this.
Yeah, true. You want this engine? You want this? Well, we hope y'all enjoyed the
Alright, guys. So, we hope you all enjoyed. We're just gonna end the video right here, right now.
If you enjoyed our video, please jump over the like button. Skid across the dirt. Screw this. That part was the cringiest part of the entire first video.
Get across
Don't
the
say
like
that.
button.
That was the cringiest part
Jump-
of the entire video.
Jump over the subscribe button.
Blah, 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 blah. See ya.
See y'all. Bye.